The best and quickest recipe for dinner. Start by cutting half an onion into small pieces. Next, cut up half a red bell pepper. We want color in this recipe, and the bell pepper will help us with that. Once that's done, heat a frying pan with olive oil and add the onion. Let it fry until golden, okay? Then add the red bell pepper. Look how beautiful it looks with the peppers. I love it. Season with salt to taste and mix. Watch your blood pressure, okay? Continue seasoning with a tablespoon of tomato paste and mix again. Then add 300 milliliters of water. And add 4 pieces of instant noodles. Break it up a bit in your hands, it makes all the difference to this recipe, believe me. Add a little black pepper and mix. It's getting beautiful, isn't it? Let it cook for 2 minutes. Meanwhile, add 4 pieces of egg to a bowl, add paprika to taste, garlic powder, and mix well. Transfer the seasoning sauce with eggs over the noodles in the frying pan, add 80 g of mozzarella cheese, arrange and cook over a low heat for 5 minutes. And here it is. Our sensational instant noodles with 4 eggs are ready to be served. Did you like this recipe as much as I did? Then like and follow our page for more tips like this. Enjoy and see you next time.